Hi friends, welcome to Plantify. Today I'll show you what all I'm growing in my winter balcony garden. Winter is incomplete without some winter flowers. Growing petunias, and beside petunias we have some chilies growing. I have more chilies growing outside rim of my balcony. These are all chili plants. I'm also growing some gazanias. These are all gazania flowers and one salvia growing here. Brinjal plant and beans. See, the tiny beans already started growing. Then I have capsicum plants. See, already capsicum birds started coming up. I'm keeping my finger crossed for a couple of capsicums. Now this strawberry plant growing runners and I have put them in hope of more strawberry plants. This is a bowl of coriander and these marigolds I have bought from local nurseries. This is my tomato plant growing healthy so far and also started flowering. Some of my petunias already started blooming, some are still growing. These are all perennial hanging plants in my balcony, and this is how the balcony is looking now. And this is the other corner of my balcony where the curry plant, neem plant, and some more strawberries, some more corianders, and some perennial plants. This is one radish plant growing here and I have more radishes in my windowsill. Some spinach and radishes. I have already harvested some radish green from this pot. This video is from couple of weeks back. Harvesting is always such a joy. I will share more harvesting videos as and when I will harvest. See, some radishes started growing. And all this started a couple of months back with starting from soil, seeds and tiny seedlings. These are radish grains. These are petunias. This one is the salvia, brinjal plant, some corianders growing below the brinjal plant. I already harvested them. These are those capsicum seedlings and chilies. At that time, the bougainvillea just started flowering. Some clips of my bougainvilleas. So friends, stay tuned for more such videos, more harvesting videos, and please subscribe to Plantify.